Have you ever struggled with staying focused? Do you find yourself reading a book or watching a movie only to realize your mind was somewhere else? Or trying to concentrate on an important task but getting distracted every few minutes? Is that you? Comment below. So in today's fast-paced digital world, maintaining strong focus can be more difficult than ever. Lack of focus doesn't just slow you down. It affects everything. It makes it harder to absorb information, reduces efficiency, and even weakens your ability to connect with people. It leads to mistakes, missed opportunities, and wasted time. Stick around because I'm going to share with you a powerful exercise that enhances focus based on my experience coaching voice actors and public speakers. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Plus, it'll be easier to find this video whenever you need to revisit it. Okay, as a voice coach, I train students not only to improve their voices, but also to maintain strong focus. In fact, strong focus is the #1 foundation of every voice technique. Why? Because a great performance isn't just about speaking. It's about controlling multiple elements at once. For example, like expression, tone, pacing, articulation, volume, pauses, gestures, audience engagement, and accurate emotional levels, etc. And every detail is intentional and requires absolute concentration. So how do we train this focus? I use a very simple but powerful method that forces your brain into a state of 100% concentration. And it's not meditation, right? And it's an exercise full of challenge. So let's go step by step. Okay, so first, we need to be clear that the purpose of this exercise is to experience what full concentration feels like. So we'll use a simple script and push our focus limits with different reading speeds. Here is the script. Okay, step 1, slow speed reading. So read the script very slowly. Imagine your eyes as laser scanners. Each word you see should appear in your mind with full clarity. Pronounce every word clearly and make sure not to misread anything. Also, keep a steady pace. Some people unconsciously speed up, so don't let that happen. Now, try reading the script this way 3 times. Hello, everyone. Thank you all for attending today's oven cooking class. This is going to be a very exciting lesson. Now, your turn. Continue. Okay, step 2. Medium speed reading. Now, read the script at a normal speaking pace while maintaining the same focus principles. Your eyes should still scan each word with precision. Also, keep articulation sharp. Stay in control of your pace. Don't rush. Hello, everyone. Thank you all for attending today's oven cooking class. This is going to be a very exciting lesson. And your turn. Continue. Step 3. Fast speed reading. So now the challenge begins. Read as fast as possible while still pronouncing every word clearly with your laser eye scanner. And feel the rush. Your brain has no space for distractions now. Hello everyone, thank you all for attending today's oven cooking class. This is going to be a very exciting lesson. We'll be connecting to our cooking laboratory and conducting an online demonstration. Okay, now, step 4, unfamiliar text challenge without preparation. That's right, without preparation, try reading 2 to 3 new passages quickly while following the same rules. Let's try one script together. Since 2012, Methasys has been working continuously with our partner OSE to strive for the vision of continuous improvement over the past 9 years. And your turn, carry on. Okay, by now, you should feel your concentration sharpening. When reading at high speed with full articulation, your brain enters a 100% focus state. No room for distractions. And now, step 5, return to medium speed with that 100% concentration. Now that we know the feeling of 100% concentration, let's maintain that state and return to reading our script at medium speed. So, hello everyone. Thank you all for attending today's oven cooking class. This is going to be a very exciting lesson. And you continue. And when you start reading with 100% concentration, you should feel more vocal presence in your speech. Your voice carries more impact, engages the audience more effectively, and grabs people's attention much easier. And please remember this state of focus because in the future, when you are introduced to new people or tasks in life and work, you need to use your concentration to practice and integrate them effectively. For example, when talking to someone, focus only on the conversation. When reading, let every word appear in your mind, just like in the exercise. And when drawing, writing, or working, shut out distractions and fully immerse yourself in the task. Okay? And hope this exercise helps you sharpen your concentration. And let me know in the comments, how do you improve your focus in daily life? Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and share this video with someone who needs better focus. And for more voice tips, check out my book. There's free reading sample, The Standout Voice Performance, through the link below. And see you next time.